Hello and welcome. So last week I gave you 3 examples where you may benefit from an infrared transmission measurement over an infrared ATR measurement for your polymer samples. Now this week I'm going to bring to you a tool that makes film making really easy even on the hardest polymers. And it's called the Mini Plane 2. The Mini Plane 2 has a diamond blade that you just pull across your sample and create films. Now let me give you a demonstration. Here's a nylon 6/6 sheet. Place the mini plane on your film and just pull back. Let that diamond blade do the work for you. And now let's take a look at my film. So here we have a 2mm wide film that we can now do infrared analysis on. Now that you have your film, you can make your infrared measurement on your FTIR microscope, or you can tune in next week where I'll show you how you can use your standard DTGS detector with the Pike beam condenser to make an absolutely beautiful spectrum. So thanks for watching this week, and we'll see you next time.